Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to my daily routine. Today, I will show you everything I do in one day. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand me. Please listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice your English. Are you ready? Let's begin. Waking up, good morning. I just woke up. I feel a little sleepy, but the sunshine is coming through my window. I stretch my arms and yawn. What a beautiful morning. Every day, I try to wake up early. When I wake up early, I have more time to do my work. Do you wake up early too? I think mornings are the best part of the day. Taking a shower and brushing teeth. Now I go to the bathroom. I turn on the water and take a shower. The water is warm and it makes me feel fresh. After my shower, I brush my teeth. Brushing teeth is very important for health. I brush my teeth every morning and every night. Clean teeth make me smile with confidence. Do you brush your teeth 2 times a day? Making breakfast. Now I am in the kitchen. I like cooking my own breakfast. Today I will make some eggs, bread, and a cup of tea. I break the eggs into the pan. They start to sizzle. I cut some fresh vegetables and put them on the table. Cooking makes me happy. Do you cook your own breakfast? Or does someone cook for you? I think breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Eating breakfast with family.
Good morning.
Good morning. I made eggs and bread. Come and eat.
It smells delicious. Thank you, my dear.
You're welcome, Mom. I love cooking for you.
Emma, what are you cooking? Let's eat together. I am so hungry.
Yes, let's eat. Eating breakfast together is nice.
Family breakfast makes us happy.
I agree, Mom. Eating with you makes my morning perfect. Going to Grandpa's house, Mom. Today I want to visit Grandpa.
That is good, Emma. Grandpa will be happy to see you.
Yes, I miss him. I will take the bus to his house.
Be careful on the way. The road is busy.
Don't worry, Mom. I will be fine. Now I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. The sun is shining and many people are on the street. I feel excited to see Grandpa. Meeting Grandpa. Hello, Grandpa. How are you today?
Hello, my dear Emma. I feel a little sick, but I am happy you came.
Don't worry, Grandpa. I will take care of you today.
Thank you, Emma. You are very kind.
I want to spend the whole day with you.
That makes me very happy.
We will talk, eat, and enjoy our time together.
Yes, that will be wonderful.
Cooking lunch, Grandpa. What would you like for lunch?
I would like some rice and vegetables.
Okay, I will cook rice and vegetables for you.
That is wonderful. I am looking forward to it.
I go to the kitchen, wash the rice, and put it in the pot. I cut some fresh vegetables and cook them carefully. Cooking for Grandpa makes me feel good. I want him to enjoy his meal. Eating lunch with Grandpa. Grandpa, the food is ready.
Thank you, Ima. This food looks very good.
Let's eat together. Please taste it. Do you like it?
Yes. It tastes delicious. You are a great cook.
I'm happy you enjoy it. Eating together makes me happy too.
I feel much better with you here.
I'm glad I could help. Spending time with you is special. Saying goodbye, Grandpa. I must go now.
Goodbye, Ima. Thank you for visiting me.
I will come again soon. Take care, Grandpa.
Be safe on your way.
Don't worry. I will. See you soon.
I will wait for you, my dear.
Shopping in the market. Hello. How much are these apples?
They are $2 per kilo.
Okay. I will take 1 kilo, please. Hello. I need some meat for dinner.
Here you are. It is very fresh.
Thank you very much. Wow, this dress looks nice. How much is it?
It is $10.
Okay, I will buy it. Going back home now. I take the bus again. I sit near the window and look outside. I have many bags from the market. I feel tired, but I am happy. I am going home to see my family. Traveling by bus is sometimes boring, but today I feel good. Talking with little brother. Hello, little brother. What are you doing?
Hi, Ima. I am playing a video game.
Wow, it looks fun. What is the game about?
It is about racing cars.
You are very good at playing games.
Thank you. Do you want to try?
Maybe later. Right now, I just want to watch you play. Dinner with family in the evening. I cook dinner for my family. We eat together. We talk. And we laugh. Family dinner is always special.
Thank you, Ima. The food is very tasty.
Yes, I like it so much.
I'm happy you enjoy it.
You worked hard today, Ima.
Yes, but it was a good day. Night and sleeping after dinner, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. Then I sit down and watch my favorite movie. The movie makes me laugh and I feel relaxed. Now it is late. I feel sleepy again. I go to my bed and say, "Good night, everyone. Thank you for being with me today. See you tomorrow."